Well, we just wanted to share with you guys these crazy waves. Like, these waves are just nutty, aren't they, buds? Just wait till you... It's kind of hard actually to tell from here, but let me try and turn the camera around. You'll see just how insane these waves are. Hold on. I guess you can't really tell until... Let me flip the camera. Hold on. Alright, you can't tell. They've actually calmed down for a second. They've calmed down a little bit. They were... I mean, look at it. Look what they're doing to the beach. They've calmed down just a little bit. What do you think? Pretty crazy, huh? Pretty crazy. We're out here just doing our knees over toes. Trying to keep the little dude wrapped up. And trying not to step on a bird, which I just did. I actually stepped on a dead bird. And it hit my heel. The beak hit my heel. But luckily I'm wearing socks. Which I don't recommend. But I'm glad I did for the bird. Right, buddy? Well, there we go. Can you see those? I mean, the waves hitting the lighthouse or the break over here are just nuts. There's a break right here, over there. Just where the boats come in. Okay, it doesn't look very big. It doesn't look very big on camera, but it's big that it's coming up and doing this. We're having a bit of a calm moment here. Classic. Just wanted to say hello and see how everybody's doing. How do you think everyone's doing, buddy? Beebe's already... how's your 2023 looking, everybody? How's your 2023, buds? Yeah. Let me know if there's a bird back here so I don't step on it. There we go. See those? See those, buddy? They're huge. Alright, everyone, have a great what is it? Thursday night. Take care.